All right, so the summertime is quickly approaching us, and if you are looking at products to create, I hope you have some sweatshirts in mind because believe it or not, sweatshirts could be a huge market in the summer. I don't know why, but there are some people who definitely wear summer sweaters, and you definitely want to start creating them right now. So in today's video, I want to share with you top summer sweatshirts you should start creating. Then I go even further with sharing with you how easy it is to create this design with AI. I'm gonna share this all with you coming up next. So one of the main tools that's going to be extremely helpful for us when we are creating our products is Printify. Listen, if you've been thinking about creating a business, but you don't want to have a lot of t-shirts in your home or have to go out there and buy a special printer for t-shirts, Printify takes care of all that for you. I have run across so many people who are creating t-shirts in their house, but they're unable to really scale their business because they are really at the mercy of how many t-shirts they can crank out of the machine. But with Printify, they take care of all the printing and shipping for you, where the only thing you really need to focus on is selling well on Etsy and start getting your products visible by creating this type of products we're talking about today. Printify has a ton of products to use, just not your t-shirts or your sweatshirts, but things like pillows, coffee mugs, tumblers, hats, even socks. So if you do want to check out Printify on your own, they were so kind to give my audience a discount code to utilize their Printify premium version. 30 days absolutely for free. This is where you're able to get a major discount on all products sold, helping you keep more profit in your pocket in the long run. If you do want to get access to that code, I'll make sure to leave all the details down in my description box below, as well as access to use Printify for free as well if you do want to go that route. Again, all the details will be down in my description box below. So once we hop on Etsy, you'll be able to see that there are a lot of summer trend sweatshirts that's doing extremely well. And so there's definitely a huge opportunity for us to make sales as well. Definitely focusing on a summer theme, definitely bringing in some of these popular phrases and creating this specifically for a sweatshirt. Now, again, this is a great opportunity for you to start selling here as well, because not only do we have these summer themes doing well, but the sweatshirts are also doing well. And we can see, again, there's multiple products that are bestsellers all over on Etsy. And we definitely want to start utilizing this ourselves when we are creating our product. Now, when we do jump into Printify, we're definitely going to head over to catalog here, and we're going to select sweatshirts, and specifically the sweatshirt that we're going to create for today is the Gildan 1800 series. That is a top trending sweatshirt that is doing extremely well. So we definitely want to incorporate that with our design. And we're going to just select Printify choice. That's going to give you the best print provider at the best price. And it's going to make sure that you have the highest chance of your product always being in stock, as it's going to utilize all of their print on demand providers they have for you to get the best selection. So with that being said, we'll go ahead and click start designing. And one thing that we definitely want to do is make sure that we understand the size of our canvas. So an easy way to understand this open box here where we need to create for our design is going up to the letter I here. So we see the canvas size is 3852 by 4398 pixel. And so when we do jump into our canvas, we definitely want to make sure that we're creating that custom size to fit into this space. So the space that we're going to use today when we are creating our products is Kindle. And the reason for that is we definitely want to utilize some AI tools to help us speed up our design process, so we're able to make multiple designs in one session. And the quality of the AI is great here when we are trying to match up with these top products we see to sell well on Etsy. So with that being said, I head over to new project here, and I'll go back into Printify just to make sure I know the proper size, because this is what we're going to set our canvas for when we jump over into Kindle. So I head over to this size over here, and everything is set well here for us to create our sweatshirt canvas. I'll hit create, and now this is what we have here for our entire canvas to create our design. We're going to use specifically their AI feature here at the bottom, which is going to allow us to get some creative designs just like this for us to create for our sweatshirt design. As you can see, the only thing we got to do here is just put in a prompt, utilize some really good clip art styles, which we're going to focus on a graphic t-shirt, and then we're able to get a very nice design style like you see here, which can be perfect for our design. What I like to do is go into Etsy and actually try to find some top selling products we can start recreating and redesigning for our products to sell. And so we found all these type of trending t-shirts that can be easily applied to a sweatshirt. And here is a particular shirt that's doing extremely well here, where it says Salty Moms Beach Club, and it has this funny phrase, girls just want to have sun, obviously focusing on a mom who enjoys enjoy going to the beach, obviously with their family. And so one of the cool things about this is that we can actually utilize our creative prompt AI tool within our membership that will be easy for us to grab the prompt for this design. So here's a tool that we're going to use where we're simply going to copy this mockup image here, and then we're going to paste this into our tool that's in our membership. And essentially what this is going to do is that we can upload a mockup image, and this software will analyze our image so that we can get a creative prompt just for the design itself. And so we're able to actually bulk upload 10 of these mockup images at the same time to get creative prompts. But just for today's video, we're just going to stick with one. And so I already copied the image, and so I'm going to paste it here. And this creative prompt AI tool is going to analyze the image, and it's just going to give us a creative prompt we can use for our design. So notice here how we have a very creative prompt where it's bringing in the overall style of the design here. It's also bringing in the text where it says Salty Moms Beach Club, and it's bringing in that bottom phrase, girls just want to have sun, and it's bringing in all the art styles we definitely want to add to our design. And when we head over to USPTO, we see this phrase, girls just want to have sun. It's not a trademark phrase, so this phrase is good to go. So from here, we can simply copy the prompt that we have, head over into Kindle to the AI tool. We're going to use ideogram, as that is great to use for overall text. And because we do want to add in that type of groovy style text design, we're going to select the groovy style font, and we're going to hit generate and see what we gather as a result. And as you can see, that came out extremely well. This definitely gave us a variation of we see here. If you do want to get another prompt, all you have to do here is run this through the generator again, and then it will give you a different prompt, bringing out different type of features. As you can see here, this is what we gather as a result with the new prompt that we have here. Still bringing in all the popular words, and I think that came out extremely well. So if we do want to remix here, we can simply go down to the remix feature, and we can say, make this about moms who enjoy surfing. Go ahead and click enter. You'll see that the entire prompt changed, still bring in popular design themes as we see here, but it changed the overall phrase to bring in something related to mom and surfing. So it says surfing moms hang 10, and it says catching waves with the gals. And notice how the AI was able to remix the prompt, but still bring in popular design styles we know to do well. So from there, we'll go ahead and hit copy. We'll go back into Kindle, change the prompt that we have here, and we'll hit enter to see what we get as a result. As you can see, that came out extremely well. It definitely changed the overall design theme of our product, but again, we were able to remix the prompt to get a very distinct design, different from what we gathered here. Again, bringing in those unique styles that we see that work extremely well, but bringing in our own unique features by remixing the prompt and bringing in something different. And I think that came out extremely well, and I think this is something that could definitely sell. So here is the design we had before where it says Salty Moms Beach Club, and then we told the AI to change this up to make this about surfing moms, and now we're able to get those changes. Again, all that within a couple of seconds, which I think can work out extremely well. So now we have everything set and ready to go. We can go ahead and remove the background here. And now this is definitely a product we can start adding to our print on demand sweatshirt. I want to make sure everything is lined up well, and it is. And so from here, I can go ahead and move over into share. We're going to hit download here. And I want to make sure that I remove the background. So I'll hit remove background here and hit download. And now we can upload this to our print on demand sweatshirt. And so now that we're back in Printify, the only thing we're going to do here is drag and drop our design over into the canvas. We know everything is perfect because we utilize the actual canvas size that Printify gave to us. As we see here, we have a very large DPI setting. That means the print is going to be perfect when this is printed out for our customers. And so now we can actually see what this will look as a result. If we do want this on the front part of the shirt, we have that option here, and we can see how that will be printed out, which I think that came out extremely well. But one of the popular areas we found with these type of sweatshirts is having the print on the back, which we have that option as well. So we'll simply go ahead and remove this here, head over to the back of the sweatshirt. We can drag and drop our design again, and now we have that same design specifically on the back side of the sweatshirt, which again is a very popular place when you are creating these type of designs. And so this is something you can easily save and upload to your Etsy shop to start selling on Etsy right now. If we do want to see what it looks like on the back of the shirt, Printify does have some mock-up images with the sweatshirt design on the back, as you can see here. Now if we do want to find some more high quality mock-ups, we can head over to Etsy itself and just simply put sweatshirt mock-up back. and then you'll see all of these sweatshirt mock-ups that have the mock-up showcasing the back of the design here, as we have many that's actually on the beach, and that could be extremely helpful for you if you are trying to showcase your design with a more high quality mock-up image. And here is our design on a back of a sweatshirt utilizing some popular mock-ups from Etsy, and as you can see, that came out really well. Great design you can start using on your Etsy shop. Definitely utilizing some AI tools to speed up the entire design process, bringing in this popular style and definitely remixing that prompt to bring in a unique style we have here, and plugging that into Printify so we can start selling this on Etsy. And this could be a top product you can start selling and creating right now. So as you can see, getting ready for summertime by creating these summertime sweatshirts, I think is a huge win in my opinion, and utilizing some AI tools to speed up the design process can make this even easier. If you do want to get access to all of my summer prompts, simply put in the comment section below the word summer, and I'll be happy to send you all the top trending AI prompts for the summer. Simply put in the comment section below the word summer, and I'll be happy to send that over to you today. And check out this next video here where I share with you a very easy way to create multiple AI prompts in seconds that you can start utilizing on your Etsy shop. If you want to check out that next video, click here and subscribe to my channel to learn more about how to make income online with Etsy. As always, my friends, my name is Jay, and I will see you in the next video.